Hi everyone, my name is Tejas and I would like to share my experience with Apponix Academy, where I recently completed their cloud computing course. When I joined Apponix, I had lot of curiosity but limited hands-on knowledge in cloud and DevOps. But throughout the course, I got theoretical understanding as well as practical skills in AWS, Linux, Jenkins, Docker, and Terraform. The trainers were really knowledgeable, supportive, and approachable, which made the learning experience smooth and effective. I genuinely enjoyed the training. It was clear, hands on, and focused on the real world applications. I felt more confident that after every session, I could apply what I learned to practical projects. And the best part, thanks to Apponix placement support team, I got placed at Nexary Infodynamics. This opportunity came directly through the Apponix team, and I am truly grateful for that. If you're looking to build a career in cloud or DevOps, I strongly recommend Apponix Academy. They helped me turn my goals into reality, and I'm sure they can do same for you. Thank you.